Yo, what's up mga ka-engkanto? It's your girl, Ayer, Prinsita do Studio.
Hey, for today's video, we've got plant, vines, and a moth, pero outline lang. And para sa ating kaalaman, sa modernong panahon, vine tattoo can hold personal meaning for the wearer, such as growth, resilience, and strength. At madalas din itong nagre-representa ng koneksyon sa kalikasan. And also a reminder to stay grounded and connected to earth. And up for the moth tattoo, dalas nire-represent na ito is transformation and change. Yung iba naman nakikita to as symbol of hope and new beginnings. And para sa mas malalim na kahulugan, moth tattoo is a reminder that even in the darkest time, we can always find our way back to the light. At meron na naman tayong isang malinaw na mensahe mula sa tattoo. Vines is to stay strong and connected to earth, and moth for hope and new beginnings. Kaya kung meron ka mga pinagdadaanan at medyo di mo na maramdaman ang iyong sarili, take a break, munekta sa nature and meditate. Kamataot gumastos para sa sarili mo dahil yung pera kikitain mo, pero yung sarili mo pag di mo na makita, dun ka matakot. And also there's a Bible verse that says, I quote, "Come to me, all who are weary and heavy laden, and I will give you rest." At mababasa mo yan sa Matthew chapter 11 verse 28 to 30. And that's all for today. Shoutout kay Joanna Myla. It's your boy A-Tech Prinsita do Studio. Peace out.
Kill it ready. Nike, Jordan, Nike, Jordan.